Ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council hak singin kong kal ay kijing manjur ya ka amendment jo ka Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules ka papunlong kong san ya kasernot Scheduled Tribe na kabantaki kertong banikun ya ka election siya ka District Council. Ya ka ni ka amendment la manjur da kaway kasur ha ka dorbar karpang jo ka council ka balakot penlong da ulat ka jela manwanra ikajingkala ya ka ED Rules. Kani ka amendment kala jia hadin jo ka jingkulmar pejingkenat per jaj periu ke balami na gajing persya ki barjela begini kun batep food ha ke election GHADC. Namar kani ke sorkar kala haban penkria ke election ke balabu manlong ha ke spotrik uyayong pat hadin kala rai ban penjelan ya ke samoy traikam ke council sahan riu benai. Man ailat ya ke executive committee batamai makan wanra gajing kala ya ke ED rules katkum ke jingkwa upajba. Na ki hajar ngut ki pajba Kalai lum hakamat ka office jong NPP hatura manyakan hoi risa halor ka jingyo kubor ba ka GHADC kalai jing manjur ya ka amendment jong ka ED rules ba penlong kongsan ya ka sernot ST na ka benta ki kertong ki bakwa ya kun ya ka election sha GHADC.
Mukabay sa mga asong China mo actually NPP ni Sekadira. Dito ko bakon kinukabay sa mga asong natakbo ni sa sila sa stroba kana Hindi ka ba natin isol nila sa una? Ang sige, parang chiko ba? Ang sige, magkabay sa una, papunta mo. Hi! NPP! 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 Mutila platform.
Today in the Government Autonomous District Council in the special session, the EC and the House in fact today has passed a historic resolution or rather an amendment to the rules where it is made mandatory for any candidate who is contesting to have an ST certificate. This is truly a very historic moment and a very, very important decision, as we know that the district councils have already or traditionally been meant for the tribals of the region, and hence it is important that the conditions that have been introduced now in the Garo District Council should be brought in, and this was something that was a very long pending demand of the people, but for past 74 years none of the governments or district councils were able to do this. But I'm happy to see that today we have come to this very historic decision, and I'm sure that all our friends, non-tribal friends who are there will understand that this council is something that is always meant for the tribals of the different parts of the region of the Northeast, and hence I'm sure that there will be cooperation from all angles, and we will all work together in peace and in harmony to ensure we take Garo Hills and the entire state and the region forward. Thank you very much.